many women have problems with something called cellulite. Cellulite are in core of their problems in many aspects of our life, especially with women. In today's recipe, I'm gonna give you special blend of natural remedies that can help you relieve and remove your cellulite in natural way. Rosemary and geranium essential oil help tone and smooth skin while increasing circulation. This scrub should be used each day in the shower for the best results. At the same time, focus on exercising problem areas to tighten underlying muscle layers and eliminate cellulite from the inside out. Mix 4 to 8 doses, 1/2 cup cocoa butter, 1/2 cup sugar, 20 drops rosemary essential oil, 20 drops geranium essential oil. Recipe: in a small bowl, combine the cocoa butter and the sugar. Add the rosemary and geranium essential oil and stir again, ensuring that all the ingredients are mixed well. Transfer the mixture to the glass jar with tight fitting. As I said a little bit earlier, this special mixture you apply during the shower. You can apply this especially each day in first couple of weeks. After that, you can use this mixture maybe 2 or 3 times a week. But this is not the stuff that is going to help you relieve and remove your cellulite in a very easy way. Of course, you must follow the best diet in the world that is called intermittent fasting. That is my recommendation for you. Learn. This is I was written in my first book. Intermittent fasting is going to help you a lot to remove your cellulite. Also, exercise regularly and take this special procedure, and you will see great result in removing your cellulite from your body. Before we continue with the show, I want to recommend you my book that is called Intermittent Fasting: The Secret of Health and Longevity. It's officially on sale in Croatian, English, German and Polish. You can buy the book immediately via MarioLab.hr website. Why you should have this book? First of all, you will learn how to properly practice intermittent fasting, which is most powerful tool for preserving your health. My book will teach you how to protect yourself from the cancer, prevent heart attack and the stroke, dementia, lose weight naturally, preserve joint health, and much more in perfectly natural way. Don't miss this unique opportunity to learn how intermittent fasting can improve your health and extend your lifespan. If you want to learn a lot more about other special natural remedies for removing cellulite, click here on this little window. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.